Yes.
So I go to where?
This
one.
on average field on purchases, purchase, yeah.
Purchases.
Because I think straightforward.
That one.
You just need to calculate the zero rated, the exempt, and the general, and the other.
Come up again.
I'm saying for the sale, it was quite clear. You populate and fill in the type of sale that that the company made in the month.
Yes.
Not from purchases. Yes. Now purchase. Now let's say we are importing goods.
Yes.
I saw actually on the screen. I'm seeing custom entry number.
Is it my net that he
what?
Hello. Hello.
These numbers, where do I get this from?
Is it?
I'm an account.
Hello. Is it my net that is ikombaya?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Or you can hear me? Hello.
I can hear you.
Okay, mi sikuwa nakusikia kabisa. I think you can reframe your question. Hello. Hello.
I think mine is okay. Yeah, me, I can hear you clearly.
Me, I can't hear you.
I can hear you clearly.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Clear.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, please project the Excel document.
Excel sheet for VAT.
Yes.
VAT. Nimeenda wapi? Minute. Umeiona? Yeah?
I can see your screen. I can see your screen.
Okay, thank you.
Open the document.
Oh, I've not opened the document?
Yeah.
Sorry. Why is it not? Sorry. Share the screen. So you can see?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
And the document?
It's not opened.
Up to now?
I can see it is not yet. It's on your downloads folder. On the downloads folder.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me also. So I'm trying to get it. Mbona inapotea mimi? Okay. Yeah, you can see now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were in purchases.
Yeah.
Purchases. Yes.
Yeah, purchases. There was this custom entry number. What was this?
The
On
customer
column G.
column J. G.
Yeah.
Customer entry. You see, purchases, they are things that you buy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from their side, maybe from the purchaser, depending where you are buying the goods, the customer entry number, it can be an invoice number from them, from their side.
Okay.
So it can, so depending how they issue their maybe invoices, whatever. So since now you are a customer, so you will enter the invoice number. From their side, it will be invoice number.
Okay.
You as a customer, it will be now a customer number.
Come up again.
I'm saying, see, when you are buying from them, they will issue you an invoice. Is that okay?
From the
From
seller.
wherever you are buying.
Yes.
That invoice number will be the invoice number from their side.
Yes.
You as a now you as a customer, you will use the invoice number as a customer number here.
Okay. What if I'm importing goods?
What if you are importing goods?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, wherever you are importing goods, si unapewanga invoice, hata kama ni wapi.
Yes.
See, that invoice must be having a number.
Yeah.
So that number is what you enter here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. You only recognize the purchase, not the insurance and the freight of goods.
No. You just recognize the purchases.
Or the purchase, not the custom, not the tax carrier or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, just move to the other tabs.
This one?
The other one.
This one?
Again.
Okay.
Go to VAT services, imported services.
That one?
Yeah, this one. What goes on here? I was wondering.
So this is section J, VAT claimable on services imported into Kenya. So basically, this is where you claim the VAT. You claim the VAT. Maybe there is services. You see, kuna wale watu wanakuja, for example, kama madaktari, si ndio?
Yes.
Ama you are getting a service to kama maybe there is a machine you need to be itengenezwe hapa Kenya, na we don't have a person to make that machine here in Kenya. You have to get an expert from outside.
Yes.
So meaning you are importing that service. So meaning this service, maybe you had paid the VAT on these services, and they are not supposed to be paid for. There are services that are exempt of, although they are being imported, but they are exempt from tax, from VAT. This is where you claim them. That is where you see the name of the supplier, description of goods and services, transaction date, invoice number, payment registration number.
Okay.
So ile inaanzanga na KRA 0 something whatever. That is where you put. Then utaweka amount VAT claimable. So this will assist you to reduce the tax liability that you are going to pay. So if you are VAT, maybe you are supposed to pay your VAT 16,000, and you are claiming from KRA for these services 10,000, see it a net off.
Yes.
So you are going to pay only 6,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Go to the next tab.
That is the VAT paid.
Credits and withholding credits. Here, details of VAT.
The VAT payment credits. Okay. Here you see it is section K, details of VAT paid. So you might make a deposit or advance payment.
Okay.
In regard to VAT. Okay.
Yes.
Unajiamulia tu, not really a must. The law doesn't require, but unajiamulia because now let me make this advance payment. That is advance payment in regard to VAT. Then later on, that is during the month. Sema unafanya biashara in the month of August. So hapo mwanzo of August, maybe tarehe 1, tarehe 2, tarehe 3, tarehe 4, you decide to make advance payment in regarding to VAT. So this is where you are going to do what? Ukienda kufile at the end of the month, so you have to recognize the amount you paid in advance.
Okay.
Yes, that is why it says payment registration number, the one that you paid with. Then we have the dates that you deposited and the amount you VAT paid. So remember also this one is going to reduce your VAT liability at the end of the month. Yeah. Also, it's the same as VAT, so that you have self-assessment. So you can also make a self. So these things are all the same. So because advance payment is you pay the same way, self-assessment is the same way. They are the same one another. So also we have section K, that is credit adjustment order, not in inventory approval order. So maybe here you had made a purchase, and this purchase, maybe you have made a purchase or you sold something. So the customer that you uliuzia aseme ulimpea goods mingi kulingana kuliko zile alikuwa ameitisha. Remember umemcharge VAT, remember umeapply VAT, si ndio?
Yes.
So we do is it a credit memo? So there is what we call a credit memo and a debit memo.
Yes.
So you do a credit memo or whatever. So when you do that credit memo or a debit memo, this is where you recognize.
Yeah.
So that is why you are seeing credit adjustment for the inventory approval order. So you take the date of the order, then you state also the amount that was corrected. So here it will adjust. So already you had already paid the VAT on that. So it is it was not supposed to be paid. So itakusaidia pia ku reduce your tax liability kule mwisho. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just go up.
Up.
Self-assessment tax. What is this section K2? What is this self-assessment tax?
So self-assessment tax is you just do do assessment of yourself. It's more the same as advance payment, but here you do unasema tu last month nililipa VAT of 15,000. The last ile month ingine nililipa VAT of 16,000. Hivyo you just do yourself so that you useme kuwa mimi at the end of the day at the end of the month sitaki kuja kung'ang'ana kulipa pesa mingi. So I've done my self-assessment of myself. This is the VAT maybe naweza lipa this month. So unaamua tu nailipa in advance. Yes. Compared to advance payment, payment unalipa tu pesa yoyote you could like to pay.
Oh, okay.
But self-assessment, you do you do assessment according based on the previous business you have been doing. Yeah.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Go down.
Down.
Oh, there's something we've skipped. Section. What is section K? Credit adjust. They think there isn't. We've tackled all of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Something else under next. You can go to next tab. You can comfortably go to the next tab.
Next
there
tab.
Is
this credit.
Yes. No. Yeah.
You see now here. You are making. You see, you are making what we call purchases.
Yes.
When you are making purchases, there is a point we said there are some institutions, some people that are KRA appointed agents. Okay. When you are buying, you are making these purchases, they will withhold 2%.
Yeah.
2%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when they are withholding 2%, they remit, they pay this money to KRA. So once the payment has been made to KRA, it will reflect in your portal, in your KRA portal, the iTax portal. So you will go to the moment unaenda kufanya end of the month, kuna mahali unafungua unaangalia the withholding certificates.
Oh, okay.
So once you withhold, ukiangalia ukipata hizo the withholding certificates, remember now, wewe ukilipa, you are going to pay 14%, not 16%.
Yeah, 16. Okay.
No, yeah, they have already withhold 2%, sindio? So yes. The 2%, already you have paid the 2%, hapa ndio unaipendelea the 2%. So utaandika the name of the withholder, the name of the PIN of the withholder, name of the withholder, the withholding certificate, date of the certificate, the amount withheld.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the purpose of section L.
Oh, so for section L, one needs to check their withholding certificates and then.
Exactly. And they must relate to that period.
Oh, that period.
They must relate to that period. So kama ni mwezi wa nane, the withholding certificates must be related to mwezi wa nane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
KRA bado ijarudi. I think when ikirudi, I will get all the scenarios zote. So once we have all the scenarios zote, I get a company yenye iko na hizi scenario zote, we do once, na hiyo kitu utashika tu mara hiyo. in a practical way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next step.
Yes, that one.
Oh, I think.
This is a summary.
Oh, it's a summary.
Yes, it's a summary from the previous one. So ukiweka uko hiyo side ingine, they automatically populate here. So hapa hakuna kitu unajaza.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Go down. Just go down. Okay. We can then go to the next tab.
The next tab is now the summary.
Yes.
So it will give you the output VAT, input VAT. So we agree the input VAT is sales. Output VAT ni purchases. Output VAT ni purchases. Input VAT ni purchases, ndio?
Yeah.
Then output VAT ni sales. So it will give you, if you had both sales and purchases, itakupia. So here you can see number 22.
Yes.
Also, there is also number 12. That is credit down from previous month. If you had a credit, you had a credit, meaning if you had overpaid the previous month,
yeah,
uta-recognize yapo because it is going to reduce the tax. Also, the total withholding VAT, ile withheld, ile 2%, total amount, utaweka hapo.
Okay.
Yes, so that is just a summary that is supposed to be. So we have also said the tax credit, we have credit at cost of avoidance. So maybe correcting or whatever. If there was that adjustment, unaweka amount hapo. So at the end of the day, hapa chini, it will give you what we call VAT payable or VAT carried forward. So when it is VAT payable, is the amount that you are supposed to pay to KRA. When it is credit carried forward, it is overpayment. It's like a refund. Okay?
Okay.
It's like a refund. Yes. So if it is a refund, you can here in VAT, so long as you are in business, you don't need to claim for that VAT refund, because unaona ni 1 month. So there is no need you claim for a refund. So you will just forward, you will just do a carry forward so that it reduce your VAT in the next subsequent months.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Guess for this maybe we'll show some quizzes and I try and see if I can attempt.
Yes. What I can do tomorrow, I will find just this thing is very straightforward. We just find so you have this sheet.
Yeah.
I will just find the invoices. Then you try to enter the invoice. You just try to enter the invoice one by one. I don't want to start to find ile CSV. Tutafanya the CSV with hizo invoice mingi. But I will sample for you around 10 invoices. That is purchases, the sales and the purchases. Tuachane na hizi zingine hizi za zero related to whatever. So you try to fill down during the day, ujaribu kuweka so that maybe in the evening I can see whether you have tried to understand as we wait KRA to open it this point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think we can now comfortably go to withholding.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see it is remaining how many minutes? 3 minutes. Ish, so that we can log in again, but I can just start. So you can see my screen?
Yes, I can.
So we are going to look at, that is withholding. the withholding income, and also the withholding VAT. Those are the two things that we are going to look: withholding income and withholding VAT. So, so withholding income is tax withheld at source. A person making certain payment deducts tax at applicable rate and remits the tax to the commissioner on behalf of the recipient. So we have agreed that it is tax withheld at source. So huyu mtu either ni agent, it is an agent that amekuwa appointed by KRA at deduct that amount, then remit to KRA on your behalf. Yeah. The examples of payments subject to withholding tax. So examples of payments subject to withholding tax include their management fee, professional fee, training fee. We have consultants fee, legal fee, and audit fee. We have contractual fee, winning fee, appearance or performance to entertain. We have royalties, we have interest and deemed interest, dividends. Then the percentage deducted varies between incomes and is dependent on whether you are a resident or non-resident. So the percentage is not the same. It depends on the income. It depends on the type of the income you are earning. That is what determines the percentage of the withholding tax. Then any amount withheld should be remitted to KRA on or before the 20th of the following month. So pia iko na deadline. So if you are withholding somebody's tax, so you have to remit to KRA on or before 20th of the following month. Then payments of withholding tax is done online via iTax. Generate a payment slip and present it to any of the appointed KRA banks to pay. Or you can also pay use M-Pesa, that is you use the PayPal number 572. Then the amount number is the payment registration number quoted at the top right corner on the generated pay slip. When you successfully remit the deducted amount to KRA, you are doing what? You are issued with a withholding tax, which is normally sent to your mail, or you can find it on your iTax portal. Then